can't call me ugly because you know I look good, ho. Maya Dadon, don't play with her. Hey guys, so we're back with another video. I'm really not feeling it today because my skin is doing what it's doing. I'm just like, we looking hit. And my brows aren't done, so it's like, what is on your face? But it's okay. We're gonna skip past it. Today I'm going to try to do the invisible lock method with the 2-strand twist. And I want the bottom to be like thick and heavy. I don't know what it's called, but you'll see the style. So that's what I'm going to try to achieve. I'm definitely not doing the parting on camera. Sorry, not sorry. Y'all know the deal here. I actually might cry for this one because it actually has to be neat for it to look good. So, yeah, bear with me. I don't know why I keep doing this to myself, but you know, it's okay. We're gonna keep going. So I'm going to come back when I'm at the top of my hair so I can show you guys how to do it, because this is a style where you have to part it and then like actually do the twist and all that at once. So you can't just part your whole head and then try to do it. It's not gonna work out. So yeah, stay tuned. Lied to y'all. I couldn't part the back by myself, so I'm gonna wait till my sister comes home so she can do it for me, and then I'll finish the back. But the method that I saw on YouTube was really difficult for me to do personally, so I just made up my own little method and a whole different look for me. So I actually don't know what I'm going to name this video. I have to see what I can name it so you guys would know what to look up in the search bar to get this look. But these are 2 that I've already done, and I am doing it small, so it's gonna take me a while. Like, this is probably not your under 5-hour hairstyle. Like, take your time, put your feet on the heater and get your show on. Do what you gotta do. But yeah, it's pretty cute. I like them, and I'm wrapping them at the end like this. I've done these 2. I haven't wrapped it, but I'm going to do this one to show you guys how to install it, how I'm doing it personally. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So as you can see, I started off with a braid, and oh, let me show you the pack of hair that I'm using. So I am using Free Tress Braid Pre-Fluff, and this is in Pop and Twist. This right here, 24 inches. Make sure you get at least 20 inches, because if you get the 16-inch pack, it's gonna be too short for you to get the look. Honestly, the 20-inch pack would have been perfect, but they didn't have it at the store I went to, the 24 inches, and it's 24 inches, not gonna lie. But yeah, that's the pack I had, and when you open it, it comes like this. So I'm literally using one of the little rolls. You pull it, and I split this, but not necessarily in half, more so in 3/4. So you can see about this much, like that. Tear it apart. It is really stretchy, so get to tearing. If you gotta use your scissors to clip, use your scissors. But yeah, you take the piece, I take my crochet. Make sure you feel it, make sure it's not too thick for you. And this is what you would do to get this size. Obviously, if you want something better, I suggest using the whole one piece, maybe even like a small piece, 1/4 of the other one, to get like a bigger size, but I wanted mine small, so that's the look I'm going for. Okay, so you take the crochet needle, you go through the braid. I didn't do rubber bands because sometimes I just feel like the rubber band method, it's more damaging to your hair, because sometimes I feel like the rubber band is more damaging to your hair, and it's like damaging convenience when you can just braid it like this and don't have to worry about your hair being damaged. I'd rather just braid it. But anywho, you pull one piece through, doesn't matter, whichever piece, straighten it so it's like this. Okay, and the hair will look like this. Your braid will be here, but don't worry about that yet. Now you grab a small piece. I clearly like doing this wrapping stuff. And then you'll wrap the base for it to look like this. Like that. So you see this finger is on the back. So I put that there as support. Put this finger here so it's at the root. So when I wrap it, it'll start at the root. Wait. You have to make sure you don't get your other braids in there because I definitely been doing that. So we're gonna do it again. Finger, wrap, grab the hair like that, and then you just continue doing it. You wrap it until it feels thick enough for you, because when you wrap it like 2 to 3 times, it still will feel very small. Like you see that? It's still a little thin for me. So I'm just going to continue wrapping it until it gets a bit thicker. Yeah, now it's feeling thick to my liking, and I'm going to wrap it down. Because as you wrap it down, it gets this hair. This hair is already thick, so you won't have to do as much work as you wrap down than you do when you initially start wrapping, because it's wrapping your hair. Your hair is kind of thin, so, well, at least for the size I'm doing. The braid is thin, so you have to wrap it a few times for it to get that thickness. Okay, you see, that's good enough for me. So, just gonna add it with the rest. Split the hair in 2 pieces. That out. And I try to make sure the hair piece is in the middle of whatever piece. I want it to be in this piece, so I can cover that as I'm twisting. Now, when you twist, I am using Maury's beeswax. Right? Yeah. So put that on your finger. I put it on my finger because it'd be the fingers doing the work. Okay. And then you twist. You twist, and then you turn. Twist and turn. Twist and turn. Twist and turn. Twist, turn, twist, turn, twist, turn, twist, turn. Now, you don't want to do it super, super tight at the top because it naturally tightens as you twist. So to relieve tension on your hair, just do it lightly at the top. And then once you get to the bottom, or like in the middle or somewhere down here, you can start to tighten your grip if you'll like to. So twist, and as you do that, it just tightens itself. So you really don't have to like do all that gripping work. Twist, so twist, turn, twist, turn, twist, turn. And you do that so it can come out smooth and not with all this texture in your twist. To the bottom, I already did this one, but I'll do the rest for you guys. So you're going to measure where the other ones are at. You're going to grip, fold, grip it at the spot that you measured it at. That one might be a bit too long. Fold it. And then at the very bottom, you're gonna start wrapping. Wrapping until it makes like a bulge, and then you can start like going up with it. It get bigger and bigger. Yeah, until you're looking like this. Like that. And that's it. Simple. Now I'm going to show you guys. Oh, this is gonna be cute. Now I'm going to show you guys how it looks when I'm done. It's definitely not the invisible lock method, but it's my method, and it's enough for me. Okay, if it gives me the look that I want, baby, I'm happy. So yeah, I'll show you guys the finished look. As you can see, this is how the hair came out. Real cute, real cute. She's so cute. Like, Can't say it's not good, yeah. Can't call me ugly because you know I look good, hoe. I will say, this took me about 3 days. 3 days to get it done. Only because I kept running out of hair, and that was completely my fault. I should have got more than one pack every time I was going to the beauty supply store. But yeah, it took a total of 3 packs to do my head, and I did it very small. I didn't count how many are in my head, but this is the size of them. It's pretty full though, which I like. I like a good full head. I don't really like scalp looks, but this did the job. What else? Yeah. Oh, tip wise, I will say super glue the ends, because if you don't, they will start unraveling like this. The only reason why I didn't like use hair glue or nail glue on the ends, because I didn't know if I liked the length or not, if I wanted to make it longer or leave it here at a bob. I'm gonna leave it here at a bob, so I'm actually gonna go back in and super glue all the knots so they can stay as knots and not unravel. But that's also the versatility of this hair. Like, you can have it short or you can have it a little bit longer and still do your knots and things like that, which I really love about it. Or you can just leave it long in general and just have like Senegalese twists, honestly, and it'll look fine. Like, I freaking love this look. This is definitely about to be like a go-to look for me, because it's giving everything and then some. I don't know if it's the color or the hairstyle or both, but it's giving what it's supposed to give. Like, it's everything what it's supposed to be. So let me know if you enjoyed the tutorial, and if you like the look, please comment down below if you want more videos like this and things like that. And if you try it out, let me know if you tried it out and if it worked for you, if you like this method or if you did a different method and you still got the look. So see you guys in the next video.